Welcome back guys to another video. Today we'll be doing a review about the Knucker 4-in-1 gaming kit. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and press the like button. So this gaming kit came with a mouse, a mousepad, a keyboard and a headset. So the main reason I decided to do a review about this kit is that it came with my PC. It costs around 30 bucks, it's very cheap, and I wasn't expecting such a good quality for this price. So let's get right into the video and describe every component of this kit. The content and specifications I'm going to describe now are from their website. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so you can visit the page and read all the details. So first we're going to talk about the keyboard. The keyboard has a multicolor backlighting with lighting effects. We can see in the video that you have different options like static, pulse jumping and spectrum running, which is actually, I don't know the difference between them, but I think it's all about the statics. I'm joking guys, of course you can see the difference in the website and change it by yourself. You can start clicking from static to the other ones. It's very interactive and you'll see the difference. Another point is how it feels. It feels actually like a mechanical keyboard. And you will see that once you try it. We'll try it right now, by the way. There are other functions also on this keyboard. One of them is the on-the-fly macro recording, as they describe it, in which you can record and assign functions to every part of the keyboard. Another option is the enhanced anti-ghosting capability, in which you can hit up to 24 keys, which of course will affect our gaming fluency. Our kit also includes the gaming mouse, which has an optical sensor with 2400 dpi. It's probably not the best mouse, but I've been trying it while playing Fortnite and other games, and for the price we're paying, we're having a very good quality mouse. It also comes with on-the-fly DPI control, which can go from red, blue to purple, and I use it a lot to change from 800 to 2400 DPI. It also comes with a 6-button ergonomic design, which I use basically the 2 lateral buttons to build in Fortnite. It can be very useful if you guys play this type of games. And finally we'll talk a bit about the headset. I can tell you that I've had a lot of headsets since a long time ago. I've changed like 3 or 4, but this one is probably the best one. And the most important point with this one is the headband, first of all, and secondly the larger sized ear cups, which you feel that is not pressing on your ears while playing. And the mic, well, I'm using now the mic to record this video, and I can tell you that I'm listening to my voice and I feel that it has very good quality for the price we're paying. And finally we have the mousepad, which is made from rubber. It has a rubber based design and it is very smooth. And I can tell you guys that the reason I'm doing this review, as I told you before, is that the price of this kit with the headset, keyboard, mouse and mousepad is actually nothing compared to what you're getting. It seems they are made from heavy duty materials, and we'll see long term what happens while using them. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer them. And I'll see you in the next one.